Semiconductor can perform a wide range of functions, from processing and storing data to enabling communication. So as new semiconductors get smaller, faster, and efficient, computers can also perform wide range of tasks while looking seemingly small in form. Silicon carbide is a semiconductor material made up of silicon and carbon atoms. In comparison to silicon, silicon carbide provides increased breakdown voltage and quicker switching speeds and enhanced thermal conductivity. These attributes result in more efficient and compact power electronic systems, making silicon carbide a perfect option for electronic vehicles and automation. Silicon carbide is transforming the methods of electricity conversion, control, and distribution. Historically, silicon has been the primary material utilized in power electronic device because of its plentiful availability and comparatively low expense. Yet, with these systems requiring enhanced efficiency, increased power density, and battery reliability, silicon carbide has come forward as a more excellent option. Increasing demand for more efficient and powerful chips, the industry's requirement for innovative tools and skilled talent also rises. Currently, the collaboration between computer engineers and semiconductors is set to enhance production methods, boost energy efficiency, and tackle workforce deficits, thereby putting the sector on the path to remarkable expansion.